Now, when I get put on homesteading panels and people ask me, like, if I can't get the land yet, what should I do to be a better homesteader when I can be a homesteader? And there's lots of answers to that. But one of the answers I almost always give, beyond like start growing some plants so you know how to garden before you go in, even if it's in containers on a windowsill or something or on a balcony. The thing I would learn is plumbing and electric. And the reason I would learn those two things is there are countless times on the homestead where you need skills. Like, you don't need deep skills in those areas, although you kind of do if you have a well. But you need skills in those areas, and finding somebody who has time to come out that same day is super hard, and that's expensive. The faster you want them, the more it costs, right? So when you come to your homestead, if you understand some basics of plumbing, you're not paying a couple $100 to hook up